ZBCN fans and ZBCN lovers, this is the video you have not been waiting for, unfortunately. Hey, don't kill me. Don't kill the messenger. Stick with me until the end. Is the hype over or not? In the end, I'm going to tell you exactly my answer. Whether you like it or not, I am here to give you the truth. Welcome back to our channel. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far. 80% of you view my videos but never subscribe. Come on, don't be cheap on that. Click on that. Make sure to put the bell notification to not miss any real-time trades we do in real time. Ladies and gentlemen, ZBCN is I've been talking about ZBCN for months now. In my last couple of videos, I've been getting a lot of hate because I've been trying to show you all the possible scenarios of what might happen to ZBCN. And the thing is, most people, they don't want to try and be open-minded, right? They want to be stuck on what they wish will happen rather on trying to figure out what will happen to best, make best decisions based on that possibilities. So I've been talking about ZBCN, telling you that I think it's weak and there's a high probability it's going to break down. And once it's break below the 35 cents area, well, 3.5 cent area actually, then probably it's going to be doom and gloom, all right? And this is what happened exactly. Now, I know it took some time. Initially, we broke out once over here. This was the implosion day, went all the way back down and recovered. This was like, all right, let's see the recovery. Let's see if ZBCN come and mount it. Broke down again and still kind of was only a shakeout, still kind of recovered. But the thing is that you can see there was a clear trend. Each time we made lower highs, each time when we recovered from some of these areas, we made a lower high. So though there was somewhat of recovery around this area of the 3.5 area, the breakdown was almost, unavoidable, almost imminent. I told you it's the last hold the door, because there were a few, okay? And of course, this is not science. This is an art of technical analysis, of understanding charts, understanding price action, understanding, the psychology of the charts, because the charts, they tell you what's happening now. They can't tell you the future. Nothing can tell you the future, actually. Well, no one has a crystal ball, right? But charts are a representation of all the decisions of market participants, all the buys, all the sells. Everything is in the price action, which is shown in the chart. And based on that, you can make assumptions, build possibilities, and based on those possibilities, you can try and figure out how to make ROI. And unfortunately, on ZBCN, the probabilities with time were that it is going to break down, and it has broken down now for the third time, which is probably, to me, it's going to be the last time that it broke down. And from here on, we're just going to continue into a bear market with a high probability of this coin. And hey, I know what you're saying. You're saying, hey, but Jomo, all the market is going down. It's not only ZBCN. Woohoo! Yeah. I mean, no shit. The market is going down, okay? And the market can continue going down, okay? So I'm not trying to, play the trash game where, oh, I'm hating on ZBCN. I love ZBCN. I love crypto, even though I call it crypto because I'm trying to, my mindset is to call it crypto, to not fall in love with anything. Because for me, all these coins are a vehicle, a mean, in order to get an end goal, which is ROI, okay? That's what I'm trying to get out of all of this. I'm trying to get you to open your mind to this modus operandi, my MO. I want you guys to have that MO because I think that is the best MO to be at, okay? That's my 2 cents, okay? So, and you've been seeing my videos and my live over and over again. If you want to join what I do because you've seen me being consistently right, consistently profitable, join, okay? You can join our VIP, scan the QR code, come join us, see how we trade, how we shorted this ZBCN chart, for example. I'm going to show some examples, at the end of, shots we have been taking. But again, ZBCN, back to it. We broke. This was the third time we broke. It's going down. The scenarios from here on are we're going down in this kind of fashion, kind of a rally and continue down and fizzle into negligence and a neglect phase, which can last for who knows how long, okay? Or and I'm talking about the bear case right now. Let's not talk about the bull case, because right now for me, everything is looking kind of bad and ominous. If things change, and they can, I will make another video about the potential, correction, reaction back up if that happens. But so far, so that was one. Another one might be sooner. Let's see Bitcoin right now at 103. You can see it here and above, recovers, goes back above 107. So ZBCN can actually go and retest the 3-5 area from below and then continue down. This is going to signal another short opportunity for me, okay, that I'm going to definitely going to take it again. So either a strong bounce, a retest and back down, or a continuation down and then a weaker bounce and then back. Whatever happens, it doesn't matter. For me, all that matters is that we are, we looks like it's done. Looks like the hype is over. Looks like the buyers have been exhausted. They have been shut down. All the people that wanted and wish to sell, insiders, institutions, everyone said this is an institution coin. Institutions. Well, to be honest with you, this can't be an institution coin because it has almost no volume. So institutions, they need multi-million dollars on daily basis, like tens and millions of daily volume to be, to be able to accumulate it. This has like a couple of millions maximum, all through all the exchanges. So no, it's not institutional. But if it is, then they already sold out. I know you're gonna hate me. I know this is not what you wanted to hear, but I'm not here to try and cushion your ego. I'm here trying to help you for real. For real, okay? Whether it's ZBCN, whether it's Caspa, whatever coin it is that I talk about, once it's ripping and it has potential to be making ROI to the upside, or then if it's showing weakness, I'm telling you about the weakness. I'm trying to be here for you guys. So for that reason, smash the like, subscribe, the comment, hype. Click on hype on this video. That will help me quite a bit. Consider a super thanks. And of course, if you want to see how I trade in real time, signals, market updates, everything, consider joining the VIP. We will be waiting for you. If not, don't come. That's okay. We'll keep on trading as we always do. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Oh, you know what? I wanted to show you some of the examples of the trades that we took, right, on the membership. So you'll need to bear with me for a minute because I need to make this happen over here so I will be able to share it. So just 1 second. Here are just a few here, just out of a quick looky. Here is come on. All right, here it is. Here are two signals I made just a couple of days ago. Plume short, both are from October 28. You can see we're going to open a chart on the Plume thing. You can see the trade was take a short below. Let's see what I wrote. Short below the 6596. Same thing on the IP, short below 509. This is the chart. And you can see this is the blue lines are the short, okay? The red lines are the stop loss, which were not triggered. And if we're going to go to the chart, the real chart, because we need to show you, the real chart right now, you'll be able to see that on IP, where it is, IP, the beauty, it was below 509. Well, this is 502 actually. So and that never really matter. Below this area, we shorted. We're already at 27% gain. Plume, another one we shorted. I just showed you that, and it was from the 6.5 area. 6.5 area was it, or 6.8 area? It looked somewhere from here. Doesn't really matter. And now 20-something%. And this is to the downside. Okay, to the downside. Remember, on the downside, the maximum you can make is 100%. Because it can only go from 1,000 to 0, from 100 to 0, from 1 to 0, it's all 100%. So making 20 or 30 or 40% on the short is bonkers. It's amazing. All right, everyone, until next time, thank you very much for coming.